Question 4 is one of these ones where we have to eventually find a function of y in terms of x, but we start with the second derivative and have enough data to get back to the first derivative and find our constant, and the second derivative, and then so we find the first derivative, then we drive it again to get the function and get our second constant. So we're starting with the second derivative, we integrate it, so it's just integration of cos x, which goes to sin x, and the 4 divided by will be over 2, so it gives us the minus 2 there. Sine 2x, sine of 3x, sine goes to negative cos, so then that's why it becomes positive, and we'll have the 9 divided by the 3, so it'll be over the 3. So there's our derivative of those two functions. We have a constant of integration, and we're told when x is equal to 0, the first derivative is equal to 1. So we substitute those values in. dy dx is 1, sub 0 in, and we're going to get that part being 0, because sine of 0 is 0. Cos of 0 is 1, so that's why it's 3 plus cos and c1. So that means c1 would have to be minus 2. So our first derivative looks like that. There's our constant. There, in that case, was minus 2. Now again, we're going to integrate it again. So sine integrates to cos, and we get the 2 over 2. So that's why it's just positive 1 out the front of cos 2x. And the same way, cos integrates to sine, and we'd have 3 divided by the 3, the 1 on the a. So the 3's cancel, gives us sine 3x. Don't forget that minus 2 would integrate to minus 2x. And then we get our second constant. So we told x is equal to 0, y is equal to 4. So we do the substitution of those again. Now, cos of 0 is going to be 1. That's 1 there. Sine of 0, 2 lots of zeros, so that's all the zeros there. So it means 1 plus cos and c2 would be equal to 4. So then that would mean that c2 would have to be equal to 3, because 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. There's our second constant, and that's what our function must look like. So again, integrate it properly, be careful of the signs, be careful of making sure you get those divisions happening, and use our values wisely. Don't forget your constants.